Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a login page in Wix for beginners in 2024. Of course, we are going to learn how to create a login page on Wix, which is a straightforward process that allows you to add users authentication to your website. So this tutorial will show you how to do it. So follow along as we build a simple yet effective login page with Wix. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave, or you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Basically, just go to wix.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into the home screen or main screen of Wix right away. If you have an account by any chance, just go and click on login to log in into an account. And if you don't have an account, click on get started to create a new account. Of course, you can use, I guess, Google, as you can see here, Facebook, Apple. If you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating and even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, as an example, you'll find yourself on your dashboard where you'll find all the sites that you have. So for me, or for you, if it's your first time and you don't have any site, make sure to set up your Wix sites and create a new one. And of course, you can randomize it or do whatever you want with it. If you don't know how to create a site, basically you can go to this top right corner, click on create a new site. You can choose which option you should go with. Is Studio Templates, Studio Blank Canvas if you want to start from blank, Studio Wix Editor, or you can use your own template if you have one as example. So let's say here we try to use Wix Editor. So I'll just go and click on that. And as you can see, I'll show you even how to create a new account. As you can see, so you can use this AI tool and start chatting with it if you want to customize a lot of things with this AI. So, for example, I'll just click here on start a chat and I'll type, I want to create a login page and hit the enter button. Once I do so, as you can see, I'll just wait for the AI until it's answered. I guess this is probably Gemini. So as you can see, now could you describe your business for me? Uh, I still, as example, I still don't have a business yet. I just need the login page. I'll basically just do that. So as an example, we'll just see what he's going to tell us. As you can see, it's a straightforward and very easy to do. So you basically have to do nothing. So Gato, what type of service or items will the login page be for? So as an example, just gathering, maybe just gathering some users as example, informations, as simple as that as example. Just see what he's going to tell us as an example. So understood. Do you have any specific design preferences for the login page? No, just do whatever you want as an example. Of course, if you have something specific, just tell them as you can see. So in here, you can see what they are creating. So login page creator, effortless access to your account, site type, new collection announcement, sites, app books, example for goals, collect leads, build customer relationship, provide customer support, and etc. As you can see, you all set. Next, go to the dashboard, personalized dashboard. You'll find tailor-made setup and etc. So I'll just go here to dashboard. Once I click on it, as you can see, generating your site and your custom and etc. So as you can see, all I need to do is wait right now. And yeah, as you can see, I am on my site. So all I need to do, of course, is connecting a custom domain if I want to. If I don't want to, I'll basically just go and skip into designing the site right away and see if they created the login page for us. So as you can see, how would you like to design your website? Generate a design or pick a template for you want. For me, I'll just go here and click on generate a design by AI as an example. So it can be something innovative and something new, and we're generating user information gathering as example websites. So your information technology service sites, once your site is ready, you can click on anything you want to change and brief to adjust the content and design. So based on your site profile, user information gathering website, your information technology services site will have site structure, which includes one page. Its content will be generated based on your site description. Your site theme will feature modern fonts and a sleek design and black and charcoal, of course, with touches of lavender. Its layout includes one big title, an overlapping element, and a complex advanced design. So if you like this, just make sure to make it a little, of course, just continue with the design. If you didn't like it, you can regenerate the site or make it a little different. For me, as an example, it's okay for me. I'll just go here and click on continue with this design. As you can see, complete the site down with your own domain. So for me, I'll just go and click on continue to the editor since I don't want to set up any domain right now. Once I do so, as an example, let me just wait for the page until it load. It should not take a lot of time. As you can see, we are now on our website. So if we scroll down, let's just see here if there is a login page. So at the moment, it seems like there is no login page at the moment. So how, let's just say as example, and we are just going to click on add section to add a new section. This section, I'll just look for something that maybe they have a template for the login page as an example. So I'll just go here and look as example for maybe contacts, I don't know, and something maybe, I don't know, maybe subscribe or something like that. Or you can use this AI generator and what should be about like the section type it's about welcome services contact team and etc. So example contacts and login page. I'll just go and type that, then click on the regenerate section, and I'll just see what they're going to come up with. Of course, let's just wait. It should not take a lot of time. So here, your AI section are ready, as you can see. So it's basically like a contact us section. As you can see, they give you like here some sections. You can drag and drop them. And let's see the section that they added for me. So as an example here, they're giving you like this section where you can find like this form where you have to enter your first name, last name, email, and message. But this is a contact, of course, where you'll be able to submit. But for us, we'll need to log in into something. So to do so, we will need to enable the members area as example. Of course, we can simply just go here to add apps on this left panel and look for a login page app. Of course, once we go to the app, all we need to do, I'll just look for members as an example, area or something like that. As you can see, Wix members area. So I'll just go and click on that as an example. So yeah, if that's what I want, I'll just click on add to site. And yeah, add in Wix members area into here so I can go and insert that login page right away because this custom like contact us is not good enough, it seems. As you can see, add in definition touches. It should not take a lot of time. And yeah, we should be good to go. So as you can see, my account, yeah, that's as you can see a login info, and that is what we want. That is the thing that we want. Of course, we can go and change like the layout of it, and we can even access the settings if we want to like change the text, the layout, the design, and even supports and even main as example if you want to customize it more if you want to. And as you can see, this is your login page, and you all you need to do is publish your site and it'll be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.